What began as a Hollywood story is rapidly becoming a serious footballing project. Wrexham's first summer back in the Championship has been nothing short of explosive. Bold transfer moves, record-breaking signings and ambitions that no longer feel out of place at this level. They're not here to survive, they're here to climb. Since returning from their pre-season tour of Australia and New Zealand, Wrexham have wasted no time reshaping Phil Parkinson's squad. In just over a week, they've shattered their transfer record twice. First for Emperies, Liberato, Casais and then Lewis O'Brien from Nottingham Forest. Between them, George Thomason for a seven-figure fee and Josh Windass, who chose Wrexham over multiple Championship suitors. And in Ryan Hardy from Plymouth and Danny Ward, the Wales international keeper, released by Leicester, and you have 6 statement signings. Remarkably, just 18 months ago, Wrexham hadn't broken their transfer record since 1978, a statistic that shows you just how far the club have come in this modern era. They've even shown ambition beyond reason with an approach made for Christian Eriksen and talks reportedly held over Kiefer Moore. More Sheffield United's striker have dodged questions over the future of him, but Wrexham are clearly circling. Still, the squad is bloated and Paul Mullen and others. Wrexham have 30 senior players, 5 over the Championship limit. With 8 strikers and a logjam in midfield, a significant clear-out is inevitable. Whether Parkinson sticks with the trusted formation he used last season or moves to one tested down under, the balance is crucial. It feels like a repeat of the club's 2021 overhaul under their new owners. That rebuild took them to the EFL. This one could push them higher. For now, bridging the gap between League One and the Championship is the mission. But with this level of intent, talent and organisation, Wrexham's Premier League dream no longer looks far-fetched. It looks like a plan that's coming together.